Hi, this is Parshuram. In this video, I'm going to explain you about what is search engine and how search engine works. So that means the architecture of the search engine. Okay. So now let's understand what is a search engine. So a search engine is a web-based software system which is developed to search and locate relevant information on the World Wide Web. So whatever the search engine's results what we are searching in the browser, so that is generally a web-based software system. So even you take a Google search engine platform, it is a web-based software system only, where all the information will be stored in the World Wide Web. Okay, so search engine generally answers the queries entered by the users and give them a list of search results. Now, if any end user or the user is searching for any results in any either of the like any of the search engine platform, the main purpose of the search engine is whatever the information which the user is seeing, so that information will be entered by the user on the browser, and this world wide webs give the results on the search engine listed what we have been what the information what we need. So that means the search engine is just only the medium which acts like a information system from the world wide web. Okay, so now we have different types of search engines. We have a list of search engines right now here. Here we have a Google search engine, Yahoo is one search engine, Bing is one search engine, Baidu is one of the search engine, and DuckDuckGo is also one of the search engine. So, but we predominantly use only Google. We know mostly Google is only the search engine. Remaining every person thinks Yahoo is not a search engine and Baidu is not a search engine. Bing is not a search engine. They think that it is a browser. Okay, so the major difference between the browser and the search engine is whatever the information which you are searching on the browser will be displayed on the search engine. So that means the information what you are searching is browsed, that is searched on the browser, and the results will be given by the search engine by taking the database of the world wide web. Okay, so these are the search engines. And when you go to interview, the common asked basic question is that whether Yahoo is a search engine or not, whether Bing is a search engine or not. And to get more confused, so they will be asking you that uh, Google Chrome is a browser or a search engine, or Internet Explorer is a browser or a search engine. Okay, or Safari is a browser or a search engine. So people get confused and says that Internet Explorer is also a search engine. Okay, so but that is not a search engine. We have only few listed search engine: Google, Yahoo, Bing, Baidu, and DuckDuckGo. And Baidu is a China search engine, so where they can access only China's related information only. So you know that China does not use any Google platform to browse their information or to really reveal their information outside. Okay, we don't receive any information of the internet browsing history of the China on Google or any else. We does not get a right information about China, because they have their own search engine. Okay, so they use their own search engine called Baidu. And whereas Google, Yahoo, Bing, and DuckDuckGo are again the search engines, there where whatever the information or whatever the catchy history what we are referring, or we are learning, we want to know the information, these third party people search engine platforms like Google or Yahoo and Bing, or any of the Baidu or DuckDuckGo, they catch our catchy history. Again, based on our history only, they give us ads. So now based on our history only, they give us ads, and we'll be seeing that those ads until we clear all those browsing history. We get all others relevant ads. Okay, So this is a different scenario which we comes to know in coming sessions. Okay. So among all these search engines, Google is the most widely used search engine on the web. Why people are using, why Google has more craze? Because 2 billion people searching on Google each and every day. Okay, so whatever the results, what you want to know about any results on the internet, so immediately people are searching on the Google platform only instead of Yahoo, Bing, Baidu, and DuckDuckGo. People start searching only on Google. Uh, just leave about the China, but the remaining whole world is searching the history, or the, sorry, if they want to know any information on the internet, they are just browsing through Google search engine platform only. So that's why Google is a most powerful search engine platform in the world. Okay, so because they have 2 billion searches happening every day, so this is not a joke that 2 billion people are having a search engine means. So the income or the revenue what they're generating is not uh, a simple amount. It's like a miracle amount where they can earn good revenue from search engine platform. Okay, so this is about the search engine. So now let's see, understand the structure or the architecture of the search engine, how search engine works. Okay, now you can see here this is the complete architecture. So I'll brief you about this architecture in a simple way. So now here, when you open any search engine platform, let's take example of Google itself only. Here we could find a Google search engine platform only. So when you are browsing any data or information on the browser, okay, or the Google search platform, so that Google platforms will be stored in the database, search engine database. They'll be checking that database, that information or the data what you are searching, they'll be searching in the search engine database, nothing but Google database. They have their own database, so they'll be checking the information what you are searching here. So once the data is being found, so that will be display the result from the database. Now whatever the data information what you are searching in the Google, Google or the Google browser, so that will be in the data, that will be in the searching process. So once the searching process is completely done, so then you will be the search engine platforms will be displaying the results from the database. That means it displays the results immediately on the database what we are searching for on the search engine platform. Okay, now after finding out the results in the search engine, so whatever the information which is on the world wide web, if you want to make index to your website, I mean if you want to rank your website in the web, the any search engine platform, so that search engines will be going with the indexing format. So here we'll be using Google webmaster tools tool. So here the web crawlers or web spiders start crawling our website. Okay, the search engine platform, where they'll be checking about the all the information data which is on the front page, all the pages which is having the in common information which is been trying to know the data of the particular user. The user which is particularly he want to know the data. So the crawlers will crawl the search engine platforms and visibles on the websites. So whatever the information which is being delivered, okay, now the crawler will be checking all the websites, okay, with the same information. Let's suppose I'm running a digital marketing company. Let's suppose I'm starting a digital marketing company, and I already started my digital my company past 5 years or 10 years back. Okay, so now what these Google crawlers will be seeing that whether my website is optimized or not, whether my results are optimized or not, whether my keyword is properly inserted in all the SEO optimized platform or not. So these crawlers will check our websites. Okay, so these crawlers, or we call as spiders, So these particular spiders checks our website. So once the website is been crawled or indexed, so the crawl the websites. So that means these crawlers will crawl our website, and then it copies the information in the websites. Okay, copies the information in the websites. So now after each and everything, the crawling part is everything done, and you could find your website is really optimized according to the search engine platforms. Then your website will be stored in the website information. Okay, so the stores the information in the database. So by using that database, whether your website is perfectly optimized or not, whether if your website is perfectly optimized, and you can find that the information which the user is seeking, if the common words, I mean the keyword is found in your title, meta description, or content, or any images part, then immediately these crawlers will make our keyword or website comes and display in the top position. Okay, so this is the complete architecture how the search engine search engine works actually. So whatever the information which have been explained you, so that will be taken within less than 3 seconds or 2 seconds. Immediately the action result will be visible in the display part. Okay, so that means this is the complete structure or the architecture of the search engine, how it works. Thank you.